In this video, I'll show you how to turn off or on mobile data on Android. First, I'll show you the quick and easy way, and then I'll show you how to do that in your Android settings app. So for the easy way, all you need to do is navigate to the top of your smartphone, tap and swipe down. At the top, you should see your tiles. As you can see, I only have 4 tiles. However, you can see more by tapping and holding and pulling down. Now I can see 8 tiles. However, none of these are a tile for mobile data. If you see the mobile data tile, then great. If you don't, you may have another page of tiles. To see that other page, swipe from the right to the left, and you'll be able to see a second page of tiles. On this tile page, we can see my mobile data tile. Currently, my mobile data is toggled on. I'm connected to a 5G network. To turn off your mobile data, tap on the tiles icon, and there you go, your mobile data is now disabled. To turn it back on, tap on the disabled mobile data icon, and then you'll have the option to turn on mobile data. I'm going to tap on cancel as I want it to remain off. Okay, so that's the easy and quick way. So I'm going to swipe up from the very bottom to go back to my Android home screen. Now I'm going to show you how to turn on or off your mobile data in your Android settings app. Open up your Android settings app. My Android settings app is on my home screen. I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once open, look for network and internet and tap on it. In network and internet, tap on SIMs, which stands for your SIM cards. In SIMs, look for the subheading that says mobile data, and underneath you'll see a toggle for mobile data, which allows you to access data using mobile network. Currently that's toggled off. As I just turned it off, I'm going to tap on the toggle to turn it back on. And now your mobile data is back on. Just tap on the toggle again to disable your mobile data. You can confirm that your mobile data is working by looking at the very top, and you can see the 5G network icon. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to turn off or on mobile data on Android. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?